In the age of AI, when AI can do everything for you, it might feel useless to study certain subjects like mathematics. Let me prove you wrong. Watch this to find out the real reason why you still need to learn math now that we have AI, and the best ways to make AI work for you during your studies. 2 years ago, I scored 100% on my high school math final, and since then I have been working with students to help them improve their math using modern learning techniques. In the next couple of minutes, I will tell you 3 main reasons you should learn math, in spite of AI being able to do the math for you. Then I will tell you 1 place you should certainly avoid using AI, and 3 places where you should maximize your AI usage when studying. So the first reason to still learn mathematics in the age of AI is to understand AI and learn technologies. Mathematics is the core language that builds AI, as concepts like linear algebra, probability, and statistics are the secret code behind how computers learn, make decisions, and recognize patterns, because it's the math that organizes and processes the massive amounts of data from images and videos to words. Without this tool of vectors and matrices, computers couldn't possibly manage or make sense of the digital world. Second reason is that math isn't just about calculating numbers. It is also about critical thinking and problem solving, because at the end of the day, AI is just a machine that predicts the most likely words that fit together, not logic and reasoning itself. And even though it just so happens that AI can solve problems fast, it still makes silly mistakes, or also in some cases might be just outright wrong. When you practice math, you learn to think step by step and check your work with solid logic. This means that when AI gives you an answer, you won't just blindly accept it. You will have the skills to analyze, find the error, and challenge the AI if it's incorrect, and guide it into the right direction. Think of AI as like a horse. If you don't tame it and let it loose, it will go wild and could be dangerous. However, if you tame it right, then it could serve you as a powerful tool. Reason number 3, the best will have everything. As AI is replacing more and more jobs, only the best specialists in their field stay in the workplace. Now, a single super smart specialist with a couple of AI bots can do more than 10, 20, or even sometimes 30 people. This is why now, more than ever, it is very important that you become the best version of you that you can and learn to use AI to maximize your productivity. It will be the only insurance you will have against losing your job, because things are going to get messy. Knowledge and skills is the only thing that no one can take away from you, and the government cannot put a tax on it. Before we get to the do's and the don'ts, if you found this video useful so far, click the subscribe button so you can see more of these videos. AI is an awesome helper, but it can also trick you and hurt your future. Here's the main rule: don't let AI do all of your thinking. If you just copy your math homework from an AI or have it write your whole essay, you are stealing the chance to learn from yourself. Yes, it feels easy just to type in and let the computer do the work, but you're robbing your own brain of the chance to get stronger. Think of it like this: if the AI does everything for you, then why would a boss hire you? The computer can work non-stop, and it's much cheaper. If you choose the hard way, if you resist the urge to copy and instead use your brain to solve the problems, you will learn amazing skills that the computer simply doesn't have. People who choose the hard way become the super specialists who can never be replaced. Right now, companies are letting go of simple computer coders because AI can do their job. But the same companies like Google and Microsoft are paying massive amounts of money to hire the top experts, the ones who learn all the math and the skills the hard way. Now to the fun part: 3 ways how you should use AI in your studies. First one is idea generation. Have you ever stared at a blank piece of paper needing to write a story or draw a picture, but have zero ideas? It happens to everyone. That empty page can make you feel stuck. AI can act as a helpful tool that can give you a quick start on your project and wake your creative side. Second, explaining stuff. Teachers and grown-up lecturers are super busy and don't always have the time to sit with every single student who is confused about a topic. Just tell the AI, pretend to be my teacher, and now you have a helper that works for you all day and all night. It's just like having a personal tutor just for you. The best part, the AI never gets tired, never gets frustrated, and will explain the lesson over and over and over until you understand it. Third is training. The best way to get ready for a quiz or a test is to practice all problems again and again until you are a master at them. The problem is, sometimes there just aren't enough of those practice problems, or maybe you just cannot find them at all. That's where AI is also an amazing tool. You can just ask the AI to create an endless amount of brand new practice problems just for you. And AI can check your answers too. Yes, sometimes the AI makes a mistake on the final answer, but you can always double check it with a calculator or an app like PhotoMath. Having a few problems that you need to check is still much better than having no problems to practice with at all. To recap, it is important to learn math so you understand AI and technologies, learn irreplaceable skills, and become the specialist that companies fight for. Then you shouldn't let AI replace all of your thinking. And finally, use AI for generating ideas, explaining stuff to you, and in training. If you do this, you will be ahead of more than 90% of the population.